going. But do you see what I mean? And then here's that fireman's ladder, shoot up high, like vertical and hooks over. And then it had a little double pump there. We were getting a fireman's ladder on SUI. So what would we want to do? I don't see any order blocks. It's interesting. I would suggest buy it around $1.50. A pullback around $1.50. Let's see any other clues here. Well, there's a big screaming clue here, and in that video I shared, they actually talk about this. He has a different name for it, the vector candle that I call it, and it's but basically, he's the first person that I've heard say, as I've been saying for years, it's a pattern I noticed years and years ago. When you see a big candle like these, invariably they more than often than not they come retest the midpoint. And I haven't looked at this before. I'm just going to draw it, but this came back and retested the midpoint, and it'll either resume trend or continue on a new trend. And this is a weekly time frame. This down red candle immediately retested the midpoint there. So the winning trade here, you guys, this thing's topping out. We have a bearish divergence on the RSI. I think SUI's bunch of people are probably going high leverage long right here, and they're about to get wiped out. I think SUI comes back down. I'd be buying it at $1.40 and even $1.31 in case it wicks down to that midpoint. But these are great looking trades, right? So to free up some capital or for SUI, I'm just going to make a note of that also at $1.30, $1.40. Limit buy orders in there. This is where trading really gets fun, you guys. We've been tiptoeing around this market for 2 years, and I keep saying your patience will be rewarded. This is what I want you guys to, even if it's just a little bit, start experimenting with putting buy limit orders in and see. There's almost no better feeling than getting that right, and